Hey, I just want to do a real quick video for you. Look, I have some friends who need a vent over top of one of their doors inside their house. So this is what I envisioned making, something like this. The trimmer on the doors are that same style but larger. Okay, so I wanted to get a similar type of trim, and then I went to the big box store and I bought a sheet of this, which was $30 for 2 feet by 36 inches, 2 feet by 3 feet, and cut a piece so that it would be a ½ an inch past the size of my trim. And then I just took liquid nails and glued it on there. So now I have something that I can just basically just glue on to, cut a hole over the door and glue on to the drywall up there so that they can have a vent between the walls above the doors that they have. I'm going to prime these and then paint them the same color as the walls so they just disappear. And this one I ended up putting on backwards, but what I did on this one is I painted the inside black so you won't be able to see it from the other side, so it wouldn't show up. And that's what I'm going to do first, is I'm going to spray paint this backside black. That's the natural color that it was. Spray paint this black, then the fronts I'm going to prime white, and then paint it the color of the walls in the house, so they just kind of go away. I just want to show you that. Maybe I'll do a video when I get them installed.